Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born on 25th day of December 1876. He joined Lincoln's Inn and graduated in 1896 and commenced practice as a lawyer in Mumbai. Jinnah joined nation's largest political party, Indian National Congress, in 1906. Criticizing Gandhi's policies, Jinnah left Congress. Also unhappy with the Muslim League, he decided to quit politics. He again started to work as a lawyer in England. Many leaders of India requested Jinnah to come back and take charge of Muslim League. In 1934, he returned to India to reorganize the Muslim League as its president. Leaders like Allama Iqbal demanded a separate country for the Muslims of India. In 1940, Muslim League adopted Pakistan resolution demanding a new country to be named Pakistan. In 1941, Jinnah founded Daily Dawn to propagate views of Muslims. In 1944, Jinnah and Gandhi held 14 rounds of talks on conclusion. After World War II, Great Britain decided to leave India. On 16th day of August 1946, Jinnah announced direct action for a separate country. He maintained, "I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision, make it right." In the month of August 1947, British Raj partitioned the subcontinent into two countries. Jinnah became the first Governor General of Pakistan. Nation called him the greatest leader, or Quaid-e-Azam. In his address to the Constituent Assembly on 11th day of August 1947, Jinnah made his policy clear. You may belong to any religion, caste or creed. That has nothing to do with the business of the state. He also held, no nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah had been suffering from TB since 1940s and died on 11th day of September 1948. Professor Stanley Walpert wrote, few individuals significantly altered the course of history. Fewer still modify the map of the world. Hardly anyone can be credited with creating a nation state. Muhammad Ali Jinnah did all three.